I saw somebody cutting a lathe or cutting a part on a lathe, and there was smoke going everywhere, and I was like, yeah, that's for me. I'm Joe Stewart, lead CNC machinist at Rolls-Royce. My job is to help the other guys that hire on to make sure that they're comfortable and they know how to do their job. Basically solving the problems, predicting what kind of problems you're going to have and solving them before you get to them. We all want our military men and women to be safe, and so we want to do the best that we can here to make sure that everything's good for them. It's a good feeling that you've completed something that's taken you so long to make, and it's to the best of your ability.